Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about Module 6, Creating a Strong QA Framework. In this video, you will learn what is a QA framework, key elements of a strong QA framework, real-world scenario, missing QA structure, building quality into the process, PDCA cycle, tools for strengthening QA framework, responsibilities across levels. What is a QA framework? A QA framework is like a building's foundation. Without it, the process becomes weak, unorganized, and risky. A QA framework is a structured system of policies, procedures, tools, and responsibilities that guide how quality is ensured at every stage of production. It ensures consistency, accountability, and continuous improvement. Key elements of a strong QA framework: clear SOPs and work instructions, defined roles and responsibilities, inspection checkpoints, corrective and preventive action plans, training and skill development, documentation and records, internal audits and continuous improvement. Real-world scenario: missing QA structure. Situation: a new production line started bulk without proper inline checkpoints. Many garments failed final inspection due to skipped stitching quality steps. What went wrong? No inline SOP shared. QA was not present at line start. Operators were not trained. Improvement steps: created detailed QA SOP with line startup checklist. Assigned QA lead per production line. Conducted 1-hour QA refresher for all operators. Building quality into the process. A strong QA framework makes the system proactive. It's better to catch issues at the start than to fix them at the end. Proactive versus reactive. Proactive QA prevents defects. Reactive QA fixes after defect occurs. Proactive QA checks at every stage. Reactive QA relies on final inspection. Proactive QA focuses on system improvement. Reactive QA focuses on product correction. Proactive QA saves time and cost. Reactive QA causes delays and rework. PDCA cycle: a tool for continuous improvement. PDCA: plan, do, check, act. Plan: identify quality goals and improvement areas. Do: implement changes or new processes. Check: measure performance and results. Act: standardize success or adjust failures. Tools for strengthening QA framework: defect matrix with images for training and defect tracking. Audit schedules weekly or monthly. Corrective action tracker (CAPA). Quality control dashboards Excel or digital. Skill matrix for QA staff. Responsibilities across levels. Role: QA responsibility. QA manager develops framework, reviews performance, leads improvements. QA supervisor executes SOPs, leads inline checks, coaches inspectors. Line QA inspector performs day-to-day checks, reports defects. QA trainer trains team, evaluates skill levels, updates SOPs. Quick summary: Module 6. A QA framework is the system that holds quality together. It must include SOPs, checkpoints, training, and reviews. Use tools like PDCA, defect matrices, and audit schedules. Everyone has a role in maintaining the QA structure. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 7.